Grilled lamb chops. Ingredients: 4 1-inch thick lamb loin chops or French lamb rib chops, about 1 pound. 2 tablespoons plus 3/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. 2 cups loosely packed fresh mint leaves, finely chopped. Half cup fresh flat leaf parsley leaves, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh tarragon leaves, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon salt-packed capers, soaked, rinsed, drained, and finely chopped. 1/4 of a teaspoon crushed red chili flakes. 6 soil-packed anchovy fillets, drained and finely chopped. 1 clove garlic, finely chopped. Directions: place the lamb chops in a small baking dish, rub with 2 tablespoons oil, and season with salt and pepper. Set aside to rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, make the salsa verde. In a medium bowl, combine the mint, parsley, tarragon, capers, chili flakes, anchovies, and garlic. Slowly drizzle in the remaining 3/4 cup oil while stirring with a fork. Set aside. Build a medium-hot fire in a charcoal grill, or heat a gas grill to medium-high. Alternatively, heat a cast-iron grill pan over medium-high. Add the lamb and cook, flipping once, until browned, crusty, and cooked to desired temperature, 6 to 8 minutes for medium rare. If using loin chops, rib chops will take only 4 minutes or so to reach medium rare. Transfer the lamb to a platter and serve with the salsa verde.